How much luck can you get in Jujutsu Infinite? Well, I don't know, but let's find out. Starting off with the gear. We are going to mainly use festive top, festive hat, and enlightenment beads, which can get you up to 15% with luck. One very important thing that we will talk about soon is expeditions, bosses, PvP, and Lotus. They add up to the final number of luck, but with different mechanics. Now for the consumables, you can get 100% with Fortune Gourd, and another 100 with Golden Beckoning Cat, and another 5% with Luck Vial. Now for bosses, the way the luck system works is, it gives a plus 7.5% luck for each player on the group. So if you have one player, you get 7.5, for 2 players, 15. For 3 players, you get 22.5, and for 4 players, you get 30% extra luck. And with that, we get the most luck of the game, which is 250% extra luck. But what about investigations, PvP, and Lotus? Well, it depends. And if you want to see how much luck you can really get, stay until the end of the video. Now talking about PvP and investigations. Actually, the highest amount of luck you can get is 4.0x or 300% if you use 30 tokens on PvP's casino. But it doesn't guarantee you any grade of item, so you can waste 30 tokens for a common item. So is it even worth it? You tell me, because it's legit gambling. The other way you can get over 250% luck is with investigations. It starts with 8% extra at E tier, or 108%, and goes another 8 for D, going for 116, 4 for C, or 120, 4 for B, going for 124, 2 for A, going for 126, 2 for S, going for 128, 4 for SS, going for 132, and 3 for SSS, or 135, which makes it the second highest achievable. Although, because of the time you spend to get SSS, it might not be worth it for farming either. Now let's talk about how Jujutsu Infinite has been scamming you with Lotus. And I'm going to explain why. To understand Lotus, you have to understand one mechanic about drops called loot table. Oversimplifying what it means is, on every chest, there's random numbers that represent each item. For example, Rage Gourd can have the ID of 1, and common consumables can have the ID of 2. If we have 80% chance of getting a common in a normal chest and 20% of getting a gourd, we have 80 times the ID 2 on the list and 20 times the ID of 1. Now what Lotus do is, it transfers the chances of a lower tier item to the new lowest one. So if you use a Lotus in this example, you will get 80% plus 20% of chance of getting a rare. If you had another higher tier, the chances of the higher tier would be the same. So for that reason, I don't think it's worth it unless there's something you want on a lower tier or if you have an iridescent Lotus. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you didn't know this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next.